So when we left off with Mario, we had the beginning of a side-scrolling game where Mario could move and the background would move with him and it would scroll infinitely. So Mario could run as far as he wanted. So that's what we have here. And we've already looked at the code for that. Now, as we've talked about in class, that is missing part of what's required to have at least two background or scenery sprites that move with Mario. So we're going to add another one. I'm going to make a very simple costume. I'm just going to make a tree, and you can do something more creative with yours, but I'm just going to do this just for a demo. So let's just make a tree real quick. Okay, great. I have a tree. Great, so now I have a tree. I want it to stay up and down. And I'm actually going to give it the same code that my background has, but we're going to modify it a little bit. So first of all, I want it to go to the exact position that it's in right now. So let's see where that is. So I'm going to say x of 81, y of negative 72. And that's just to get it so it's sitting right on the ground. And now to create the effect that it's in the foreground, first of all, we need to make sure it's in the front. And then as it moves, we just want it to go a little faster. And this is really all we need. So now it's going to look like it's closer to us than the other things on the stage, and it's going to loop around. And if we come back in the other direction, it'll come back. And that's really it. That's what we're looking for. Now, you can play with this a little bit to create the effect that another is further in the background. So let's just shrink this one a little bit. And we are going to want it also on the ground. And we're going to adjust its x and y. So now it's at, let's actually put it at 47, and the y is negative 94. And we're going to make it go a little slower. It's going to be going faster than the background, but slower than the other tree. So let's just see what this looks like. And I actually want this one to be more in front, but behind Mario. So it looks like it's in front of the other tree. So there you go. That is the idea, to have the multiple scenery sprites.